Hello, it's Handmade. I made a Volжski Automobilny Zavod 2107 convertible from modeling clay. This is the convertible of the YouTuber Sergey Reznichenko. I made his car entirely out of sculpting clay. As this is my third 7, I chose to reuse some parts from the previous 7 I crashed. I took the seat, dashboard and engine from it, so making this one was easier and faster. The first thing you notice is the turbo sticking out of the right front fender. The builder decided to route the exhaust turbo right through the fender. I think it looks cool and unique. I detailed this model quite thoroughly, made the underbody, and also worked on the engine. Today I'm going to destroy this convertible, blow it up with several firecrackers. First with small ones, I'll try and see how destructive they are, and then with bigger ones. I found a rocky ridge outside for the explosions. It's perfect. I'll start with a small firecracker. Nothing. Absolutely no effect. A useless firecracker. Then I'll try to blow up 3 at once. Now that really tore up the whole interior, almost ripped the doors off, and the back one is still hanging. Nice explosion. Now I'll simulate a gas cylinder explosion. I put a firecracker in the trunk. Let's see how it blows it up. Just look, only the front part is left. The interior was completely blown apart to the sides. What an explosion. The left doors are still hanging, completely untouched. That's amazing. I think I need to destroy it now, so I'll blow up the front. The front part turned out to be really sturdy. It still hasn't been blown apart, only the front part is left and the bottom is hanging. The engine is intact, it can still be used in some other car. Alright, let's wrap up here. Finally, I'll show you a photo of its sculpture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to join the V-Contactor group. There I post photos of all my works. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.